Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be explaining about binary codes, its definition, classification of binary codes, BCD code, 8421 code and access 3 code. Okay, let us start the class. What is a binary code? The digital data is represented, stored and transmitted as group of binary digits. Binary digit short form is bits. So what is a binary code? The group of bits is known as binary codes. Group of bits is known as binary codes. Coming to the classification of binary codes, what is the need of binary code? Because when we need to transmit a digital data, or when you want to represent a digital data, or when you want to store a digital data, you have to group the number of bits, and the group of bits is known as binary codes. So the binary codes makes the digital data storing, representing and transmission easier. Classification of binary codes. There are six categories under it: weighted codes, non-weighted codes, reflective codes, sequential codes, alphanumeric codes, error detecting and error correcting codes. In this class we will be saying weighted codes. Okay, so what do you mean by weighted code? In weighted code, each digit position of the number represents a specific weight. There is a certain weight for it. Suppose if your number is 58, so this is a number, this is a decimal number. What is the weight of this digit? Its weight is 8. So this is known as a number. 58 is a number and 8 is a digit, and digit position weight is 8 here, and here this digit is 5 and its weight is 5. Okay, so in weighted code, each digit position is having a specific weight. There are two types of weighted codes: binary code and BCD code. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. There are different types of BCD codes, such as 8421, 7421, 2421, 6311, 5211, 5311, 3321 and so on. It's repeated here, and few examples are like 8421 bar bar, 7421 bar bar. These are also few examples of BCD codes. Okay, so what is BCD stands for? Binary coded decimal. So BCD is a weighted code. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. Each digit of a decimal number is represented by group of bits. The most common BCD code is 8421. Next point, 8421 BCD means the weights associated with 4 bits are 8, 8, 4, 2, 1. The weight from left to right. When you are moving from left to right, their weights are 8, 4, 2, 1. So the bit 3, suppose let us say there a number is comprising of 4 bits. So we will say this is bit 0, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3. Okay. So for bit 3 the weight is 8, for bit 2 the weight is 4, for bit 1 the weight is 2, for bit 0 the weight is 1. Okay. So let us see how to write a BCD number for a given decimal number. The given decimal number is 68. So how to represent a BCD number now? each digit in a decimal number is represented by a weighted code. Okay. Suppose if you want to write 6, one way of easily remembering the BCD code is represent each decimal digit by its 4 binary bits. Suppose 6 is what? 110. 6 is 110. So add 10 before it. 8. What is 8 in binary? 1000. So its easy way to represent a decimal to BCD is represent each decimal digit by its 4 binary bits. Okay. So 6 is 0110 and 8 is 1000. Okay. So this is how we write for a given decimal number its BCD value. I hope you have understood what is a binary code. Binary code is group of binary digits. It is useful for representing, storing and transmitting the digital data easier. Classifications are weighted codes, non-weighted codes, reflective codes, sequential codes, alphanumeric, error detecting and error correcting code. And the most popular weighted code is BCD, and in it 8421 is the most commonly used BCD code. XS3 code is also a weighted code, which is a modified form of BCD code. Okay. So XS3 code is a modified form of BCD code. XS3 code is a modified form of a BCD code. Thank you. Good luck students. If you have any queries, post in the comment section.